Welcome. I'm your host, Loja Sintari. Today, I'll be joined by Vincent Chintengo, a public health student at Brigham Young University. And our topic will be the importance of flu vaccines for all children, including those with special healthcare needs. Let's begin. Vincent, why is it so important for children to be vaccinated against seasonal flu? It's because children 5 years old and younger, especially those who are younger than 2, are at high risk of developing serious complications if they become sick with flu. Some of these complications include pneumonia, dehydration, worsening of medical problems such as heart disease, asthma, sinus problems, or ear infections. In rare cases, complications from the flu can even lead to death. Listen, vaccination is always important, but why is it even more important this year? COVID-19 is still circulating, and the combination of that along with seasonal flu could lead to more illnesses, hospitalizations, and deaths than usual. This could overwhelm the capacity of medical systems, including hospitals, to treat patients. Getting a flu vaccine for your child and yourself is the best way to protect your family against flu this season. Vincent, what about children with special needs? Why is it so important for them to be vaccinated against flu? Children with neurologic and developmental conditions such as cerebral palsy, epilepsy, intellectual disability, or muscular dystrophy are at higher risk of developing serious complications if they become sick with the disease. One reason that children with these conditions sometimes have trouble with muscle or lung function and difficulty with coughing, swallowing, or cleaning fluids from their airways. These complications can be life-threatening. We learned much from the 2019 influenza pandemic, including that more than 40% of children reported to have died with flu-related causes, had an underlying neurologic conditions, and the most common conditions being intellectual disability and epilepsy. A yearly flu vaccine can help protect children with these conditions in many cases by reducing their risk of getting sick with flu. Thank you both for your coming, and Vincent. To learn more about the importance of flu vaccination for children children are at high risk of serious complications from flu and much more, visit CDC's influenza website at cdc.gov/flu/high-risk/parents-htm. Next time we'll talk about diabetes mellitus.